Good morning from central Jakarta. Right now I'm on my way to go drop off some laundry because I've been, I haven't done any yet, so it's piling up. Got to get that taken care of, so. Hello. I think he's asking for some food. I don't got food, I got laundry. But I'm going to go drop it off, and then after that, we're going to go down to the national monument and just hope that it's open, because the last 2 times I've been in Jakarta, it's been closed. So let's go drop this off first, shall we? Selamat pagi. Some laundry. Okay. How much? 2 coins?
1 coin, 50,000.
1 coin, 50,000. Okay.
Yes, and dryer, 1 coin, 30 minutes, 2 coin.
Okay, so let's do 3 coins. What do you think? 3 coins? 4 coins?
Ini 4.
4 coins? Okay, we'll do 4 coins.
Wash, dry, and my phone.
We're not supposed to we charge. Okay, yeah. So they'll fold the clothes for 7 cents. Deal. Alright. 70 cents. Not 70. 70 cents. Still. What you do in your laundry here in central Jakarta is like 4 times as much as Bali.
My name?
2 hours? Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Doesn't look like there's too many people around here. I figure if it was open, they'd have street vendors and stalls open all over here. Not looking good. Not looking good. But this is kind of where it all started. In one of my first videos last year, some guy approached me, wanted to sell me some water or a drink, and what happened was I ended up giving him some Malaysian money that I didn't know I had. I think I might have given him like $10 or $20, and I didn't realize I had that in my wallet at the time. I think I've been to Bali a couple times before this last trip, and I'm guessing when I was in the Kuala Lumpur airport, I converted some money and I just, mix it in with my Indonesian money that I had left over. And so when that guy sold me that bottle, I gave him that, and apparently he lucked out. Is it open or closed?
Close.
Oh my gosh! I know, again?
COVID-19.
I know, but the malls are open. Shops open.
Yeah.
But this is outside.
Right.
Right?
Yes.
What's right? When will it open? Soon?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Third time. That sucks. I mean, I don't get it. The malls are open. The shops are open. All you have to do is show your vaccine papers and you can get in, and they have the app set up now. I mean, this is outside. I don't see why. I was able to go to Borobudur Temple. Couldn't go up the stairs, to see all the relics and all the niches and all the Buddhas up there at the top, but you can still go up to the temple. I don't see why they're not allowing people to at least walk around the grounds, Oh well, what are you gonna do? What you gonna do? It's closed. I wonder if this is the guy that sold me the water.
Why you ask security? It's closed.
It's closed, yeah.
Nationality?
I'm American.
Why you want to see your embassy? The big one, very big.
You
big,
embassy,
the
yeah.
big U.S. embassy.
You see already?
I have seen it already. It's in the area, huh?
Yeah, down this area.
Yeah.
You clever, you know your embassy.
Uh,
And now they have one place open for tourism. Karantina, how many days? Sorry, I need some.
Okay.
Karantina, how many days?
How many? My quarantine?
Quarantine, yeah. When you arrive in Indonesia.
It was 3 days.
Yeah. Yesterday I met US boy, two boys. He's from Washington DC.
Oh, really? Oh, they had the suitcases out? Oh, really?
Yeah. Two red one and yellow one.
That's what I was doing.
Are you 27? You look young.
I wish I was 27.
This my teeth was been motorbike.
Oh, you fell?
Yeah, I met. Long time ago, I met the US girl. She have 2 kids. Is married with Balinese guy. But guys, I think better now you must go to the harbor. The harbor is with.
I went to Sunda Kalapa, but I'm gonna head this way.
Oh,
Thank you, sir. It was nice to meet you.
Okay, sure.
I don't know. It's just sometimes you just feel like they're coming up to you, and I hate thinking this. You know, like they're just coming up to you because they're looking for money. You know. Especially after a couple days ago in Sunda Kalapa when I was singing karaoke. And at the end they're like, oh yeah, give us some money. Oh, this is how much it costs. Not cool. So unfortunately, you just kind of have to just keep your guard up, you know? That looks pretty damn good. Ayam? Ayam. Berapa? 19,000.
19,000, no rice.
That's okay. No rice. Sambal. I don't think I need that. No spicy, no light though, right? What they tell me all the time. Oh, what do we got? We got 2 wings here. Then we got the. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. And a little messy too. Oh man. That's some pretty damn good chicken right there. Nice and juicy. Packed with flavor. Yo, that's good. A little messy though. Get some tissue. I know they give you some lettuce and some cucumbers.
This way. Jakarta.
Give him the money and he leaves. It's like, keep playing, yo. Hey. Should have had him play a little longer. Still got some tea left. What we got to eat?
Yang terbaik.
Enak. Terima kasih. Enak. You can just tell the food quality around here is so much better than it was at Kota Tua. I met a guy named Rezka. He was a traffic warden. Spoke really good English, and we were chit-chatting. He was like, yeah, the food around here isn't that good. You know, they just come out here and try to make anything they can. There's no heart in it, you know? So it's kind of like carnival food or fair food or, you know, just your generic kind of stuff. Places like that, maybe a little bit better quality. They're doing some sort of filming here. Maybe for a commercial, or there's a pretty badass BMW right here that's super clean. Alright, so I figured it out. A guy came up and talked to me and told me that they're filming for a TV show called Jalanan Reborn. They didn't ask me if they needed an extra. Come on now.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. All right, looks like we're good to go. Got some clean draws finally. Uh-oh, don't run me over. Alright, so when I was walking back earlier, I walked by this corner place, and some people in here were eating some delicious looking noodles, and so it's packed right now though.
Okay, mister. Come here. Sit here. Okay, sit.
Little full here.
This.
Down here?
Okay. This.
Permisi.
Yeah.
Rekomendasi ada.
Mie ayam komplit.
What is it?
Mie ayam komplit.
Mie ayam. Bisa lihat?
Bisa. Oh, bisa Indonesia.
Sedikit. Bakso?
Yeah, this bakso.
Okay.
This pangsit. You from?
I'm from America.
America. Okay. USA.
USA.
USA. Joe Biden.
Joe Biden, that's right.
Joe Biden. Okay. Pangsit.
Pangsit. Ooh. Smells delicious. Look at that. Alright, so I'm guessing there's some sort of chicken noodle soup. And these look like wonton, basically. With some bakso, some sort of meatball. I wonder if there's any. It's kind of just dry noodles. There's no sauce in there. I'm guessing I need to mix in some chili sauce.
Okay, saus.
Ketchup. It's ketchup.
Kecap manis.
Manis.
Asin.
Asin.
Sendok garpu sumpit.
Okay.
Sedikit aja pedas.
So many sauces to put in there. People tell me not to eat the tomato sauce. Apparently it's not good for you. But I don't know. Just gotta mix it all up. One of the first places I've seen that actually has chopsticks, so I love it. Not bad, not bad. Kind of plain noodles. Let's add some more sauce to this. Oh yeah, there we go. Add some color to it. Add a little bit of soy sauce flavor. Let's try the wonton. Not bad. There's some kind of meat inside. I'm not really sure what. Nice soft meatball. That's good. Okay. Give me 2 minutes, I'm gonna finish this up. I don't want to film the whole time and like cause a scene, you know. Glodok, electronic.
Oh, Glodok Sarina.
Yeah.
From
way,
here,
that way.
you can go to the right,
Okay, go up there to the right.
right and right again.
Right and right again.
Yeah. The building is near here,
Okay.
behind this building.
All right, thank you, sir. Okay. Next thing on today's agenda, we're gonna try to get my phone fixed. Not fixed, just get a SIM card for it. And we're also gonna see if I can get some pocket Wi-Fi. That's the plan. Hello.
Hello, Mister.
Because up until now, I've just been walking around, and anytime I'm out of my hotel or anywhere outside, I don't have any connection. So I'd like to have a phone, I'd like to have Wi-Fi, just in case, you know? I think that's it. Sarina?
Huh?
Sarina?
Sarina, dan yang tabung this one.
That one?
Belum open.
Oh, it's not open yet? Do you do pocket Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi modem.
Modem.
I have SIM.
The SIM card is maybe expired. So for like $3 or $4, I'm gonna be able to get a card for 16 gigabytes. All right, so that's 1 out of 2 things that I was able to get accomplished. I'd like to get my my phone set up at a little more legit looking place, or maybe have somebody with me that speaks Indonesian that can help me translate, make sure I'm doing it right. So, but that's not too important right now, as long as I have Wi-Fi. You don't really see that very often in the middle of Jakarta. A chicken, are you kidding me? That's a big old bird too. Wow. You know, you see that all the time in the countryside when you're in Bali and whatnot, but not in the middle of Jakarta. I wonder if it's somebody's pet. Has to be. But I think that's just about gonna do it for this video. I hope wherever you are, you're doing well, you're staying safe. I hope you're enjoying this Indonesian Part 2 series. I definitely enjoy reading all your comments. I apologize if I don't get to all of them and respond to every single one of them, but I do read every comment, and I appreciate all your support. Hopefully we'll continue to make some interesting videos. It's been fun so far, that's for sure. But soon, I'm going to be heading down to Bandung for maybe a week or so. I haven't really made up my mind. You know, I don't really have any plans, any set plans on this journey. Dang, look at that house. Y'all need a roommate? It's pretty wide, isn't it? But yeah, I don't really have any set plans necessarily. I'm just kind of slowly making my way towards Bali, and then once I finish up with Bali, probably go to Lombok, and then maybe Flores, maybe go up to Manado and Sulawesi, and maybe go to Sumatra eventually. We'll see. We'll see. Leaving it open. Leaving it open. So, hey, how are you?
5 back.
5? I just kind of wandered onto a really nice block. Look at these places. Look at that stained glass up there. That's a nice place. This place kind of looks abandoned. No, maybe not. There's some nice areas in Jakarta, that's for sure. But okay, let's end the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.